Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start building a portfolio with GitHub step by step clearly. Start by creating a GitHub account if you don't have one. Visit the GitHub website and click on the sign up button. Fill out the required information, including your username, email, and password. Once registered, you'll receive a confirmation email. Verify your email address to activate your account. Log in to your GitHub account. Familiarize yourself with the GitHub interface, focusing on the main dashboard. Create a new repository by clicking the green New button. Choose a name for your repository that reflects your project or portfolio theme. Add a description to give context to your repository. Decide whether your repository will be public or private. Check the box to initialize the repository with a README file. Click Create Repository to finalize the process. Once your repository is created, navigate to the Code tab. Use the Add File dropdown to upload files or create new ones. Begin by adding a simple project, like a personal website or a small application. Ensure your code is well commented for clarity. Commit your changes with a descriptive message. Repeat this process to build out your portfolio with more projects. Enhance your repository by adding a professional README file. Include sections such as project description, technologies used, installation instructions, and usage examples. Consider leveraging GitHub pages for hosting a personal website. Go to the settings of your repository and scroll down to GitHub pages. Select the main branch to publish your site and then save. Test your website by visiting the provided link. Continue updating your portfolio with new projects over time. Engage with the GitHub community by contributing to others' projects. Participate in discussions and provide feedback to enhance your skills. Stay consistent and keep refining your projects as you learn more. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.